How to log in TD Bank online account? Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your preferred browser on your PC. Here I have opened up Google Chrome. After that, in the search bar, you have to click and search for www.td.com. After entering over there, you will be taken to the official web page of TD Bank. So in order to log into your account, you have to go for login option in the right upper corner, or there is also login or sign up option in the right hand side. You can simply click on that. After that, you will be able to see the text fields in the left hand side where you have to enter your credentials. So in the first text box, you need to enter your username, and in the second text box, you need to enter your password associated with your TD Bank. If you want your username and password to be remembered, then you can check mark over here, by which from the next time whenever you try to log in, then you don't need to enter your username and password. You will directly log into your account. After fulfilling these credentials, you can go for login option. If you forget your username or password, then you can go for this option where you will be helped to recover your password, and by doing that, you'll be able to recover your account. If you are new to TD Bank and want to create an account, then you can go for sign up for free online bank option, where you have to follow certain procedures, and by doing that you'll be able to create your account. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.